Alright, we're going to put back the starting motor. This is going to be a very tight fit, but I'm going to make it look easy. Okay. Alright, we're on the other side. We got to get this part lined up. Tap it in with a hammer. There we go, she's in. Get the bolt. I got to get the hardest one close to the motor. Gonna get the second one with the ground. Alright, you want to use something that'll bend like this flexible one. Or something like this that'll bend. But what I'm going to do is I got one that'll wobble. Put my socket on the end, and that can wobble. See that wobble? That's just enough to do it. And I'm using a little 1/2 inch because it's a really tight fit. I'm coming down in from the top. Okay, just tighten that other one up. Make sure that one's tight. Okay. Alright, now we got our hot wire that goes on the lead here. Put on a nut. I got my number 10 ratcheting wrench. Well, that is a tight fit. Next thing I want to do is put in my little gear here. And then put the cover on. Whoop, there we go. Screw in the 2 screws. Got to find them first. Well, there they are. No wonder I didn't recognize them. They're so dang long. Put those in, screw them down. Now I'm going to put all the electrical wires back. Here's the solenoid. We tested that and it was good. Well, just stick all the wires back in here some way. Put on the cover. Now we're going to go up on top here and down in, and you'll notice I got the carburetor off. Just going to slide that up and put the 2 bolts in. 1, 2 bolts. Okay, what I'm going to do is actually just slide this forward, put the bolt in, and then come up here and get my 2 bolts on. And this is a very tight fit. Yeah. Another very tight fit. And you'll have to use your 10mm to get in there. And again, this ratcheting 10mm wrench will go in there. Come on. You want to go back and forth to each bolt. Don't tighten it down too much on one side.